Do you know the impactful risks to take in life? Certain decisions can make or break your quality of life and whether or not you end up successful. What decisions are you making? Are you taking the right risks? Welcome to this channel, Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Here we discuss business, motivation, and daily lifestyle that will help you to have a balanced and successful life. Every action you take comes with a certain degree of risk. In fact, we take risks every day without realizing it. I'm pretty sure you have struggled with certain risks at some point in your life. This is completely normal because life, in itself, is a risk. Decision-making is the hardest part of adulthood, and this vital skill is needed to identify what qualifies as impactful risks to take. Whether it is in career, education, relationship, childcare, investment, or simply diet, you ought to realize you are taking a risk with each decision. So, how do you choose the right and safe risks to take? In this video, we highlight 5 of the most important risks that are worth taking for personal growth and development. Of course, we will leave you with a bonus tip at the end of the video. Now, let's get to it. Risk number 1, the risk of taking a less traveled path. I want you to understand that there is no limit to the amount of success you can attain in life. If you want to be wealthy, you will be wealthy, period. Because life is limitless. The bitter truth is that the crucial steps you skip now in your life are steps you'll eventually take in the not too distant future. That's why I recommend creating your path. You don't need to follow the crowd or whatever is trending. Most times, your path is different from others. Don't force yourself into another person's lane. Take the time to identify your path and stick with it. Everyone taking that path doesn't make it right for you. Risk number 2, risk finding the love of your life. We spend so much time pursuing career growth and success, forgetting that love is one of the most impactful risks to take in life. As a matter of fact, love can greatly improve your overall well-being. This could be the love of your friends, spouse, family, or children. Whatever love means to you, I want to remind you that it is worth taking that risk. Yes, it's normal to be rejected, even if it's not due to anything you did or said. Nevertheless, you cannot allow rejection to keep you from finding the love of your life. Rejection only means it's not the right fit. Your right fit is still out there. Don't stop looking. You deserve love like everyone else. Risk number 3, risk starting your own company. Okay, I know how that sounds. Many people are scared to pursue their dreams due to the fear of the unknown. While fear is good to keep you in check, you shouldn't allow it to keep you from reaching your dreams. Don't allow your job to keep you from starting your own business. That said, I must add that it is important to prepare for this new project before quitting your job. You ought to have saved enough money to start the business and still cater to your needs and that of your family if you have one. A good way to expedite this process is to start investing early. You can also run your business as a side hustle while maintaining your 9 to 5. As always, we need your love to grow this channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us keep sending you useful tips like this. Risk number 4, risk doing it first. People will tell you that something is impossible. They will try to discourage you from trying. Some will even go as far as convincing you that you're not talented enough, smart enough, or born into a decent family, skin color, country, or gender. Simply ignoring other people's opinions and concentrating on your goals is your best bet to reach your goal. I know it sounds bold and risky, but taking calculated risks is how you grow. Go after your passion. Everything looks impossible until someone does it. That someone can be you. Risk number 5, risk of losing old friendships. We are big suckers for love and friendship. We know better than to advise you to burn bridges or cut off friends. However, you must know that it is okay to lose some friends as you grow older. This doesn't make you enemies. It just means you are growing. Be open to new friendships and connections. Increase your network at every chance you get. Don't force love or friendship. Put in conscious efforts to make your relationships work, but it is okay to let go when they no longer align with you. Choosing the right relationship is the most impactful risk to take for overall growth. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. And as promised, here is your bonus tip. Risk number 6, risking investing in one yourself. The best investment you will ever make is one you invest in yourself. Personal development is a gift that keeps giving. You will reap it in too many ways that make it worth every penny. This is why it's crucial to buy books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, conferences, and most importantly, take care of your health by being mindful of the foods you eat and realizing that your health is indeed your wealth, because only a fully functional body is capable of producing wealth. Finally, success is not an illusion. It is a game with well laid out rules. Only people who understand these rules enough to play by them or tweak them to their favor eventually become successful. One of such rules is choosing impactful risks to take. You cannot grow without trying new things. The difference between success and failure is the kind of risks you take. Remember, it is a decision to make no decision. For more assistance, do not hesitate to contact Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that we can always bring you helpful tips like these. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, always stay very motivated. See you in our next video.